Thousands took to the streets last week to protest the reforms of self-proclaimed anarcho-capitalist Milei, who won elections in November with promises of slashing state spending as Argentina deals with an economic crisis, including triple-digit inflation. The CGT has called a general strike for January 24th. Argentine judges suspended labor law changes that form part of a mega decree of sweeping economic reforms and deregulation announced by the country's libertarian new president, Javier Milei. The CGT trade union body had challenged the changes, which technically took effect last Friday, on grounds that they erode basic worker protections such as the right to strike and parental leave. The three judges of Argentina's labor appeals chamber froze elements of Milei's decree which, among other things, increased the legal job probation period from 3 to 8 months, reduced compensation in case of dismissal, and cut pregnancy leave. Judge Alejandro Sudera questioned the necessity and urgency of the decree Milei signed on December 20th, just days after taking office, and suspended the measures until they can be properly considered by Congress. The measures have drawn heated debate among jurists about their constitutionality and are the subject of several court challenges. When he announced his mega decree, Milei said the goal was to start along the path to rebuilding the country and start to undo the huge number of regulations that have held back and prevented economic growth. The decree changed or scrapped more than 350 economic regulations in a country accustomed to heavy government intervention in the market. It eliminates a low-regulating rent, envisages the privatization of state enterprises, and terminates some 7,000 civil service contracts. Latin America's third biggest economy is on its knees after decades of debt and financial mismanagement, with inflation surpassing 160% year-on-year and 40% of Argentines living in poverty. Milei has pledged to curb inflation, but warned that economic shock treatment is the only solution and that the situation will get worse before it improves. Milei has also announced a halt to all new public construction projects and a year-long suspension of state advertising.